Lift the media door. Open the printhead. Place the ribbon on the ribbon supply spindle and push it back. Bring the ribbon under the printhead and wrap it around the ribbon take-up spindle. Turn the spindle to remove any ribbon slack. Turn the media guide adjustment knob counterclockwise to slide it out. Place the roll of media on the media supply spindle. Push it back. Feed the media under the dancer assembly, through the media sensor, and under the printhead. Turn the media guide knob clockwise until the media guide touches the edge of the media. Close the printhead. Close the media door. Press pause to enable printing.